Has this ever happened to you? You are driving down the street and passing by a house that takes your breath away? You are not sure whether it is for sale or who the owner is. In this video, we'll provide insight into how to find out who owns a property. 1. County Tax Assessor's Office. Every county has a tax assessor. The tax assessor's office maintains the tax records for the county's property owners. Likewise, you can refer to the county's tax assessor's official website to property owner information. This is the simplest and cheapest way to find the owner of a property. You'd only have to pay for any document copies you receive. 2. County Clerk's Office. The county clerk's office maintains official government records like notices of sale and the bill of sale. The property owner's information would be included in these documents. 3. Real estate agent. Real estate agents also have access to official property records. They're also able to do some additional digging to locate additional property information like sales history. 4. Local library. The local library is an often looked-over repository for historical records, including those containing property owner information. Visit the library to view their online records database or hard-copy archived records. 5. Title company. Requesting property records from a title company can cost you anywhere between $200 and $400, but you would also be getting some worthwhile information other than homeowner information. For instance, a title search will also detect if there are issues with the property. Title searches are usually done during the buying stage, but we can also use it to get general property owner information. 6. Internet searches. The internet can be the cheapest way to find a property owner if you're unsure if a house is, or will be, listed for sale. By searching the property's address online in search engines or on websites like 411.com, you can often find the property's owner's information. Keep in mind that the information you access is only as good as the latest update. In other words, if the online information is current, you may get inaccurate information. With this in mind, we don't recommend relying fully on internet searches to confirm property ownership. 7. Ask the house's residents. This is the fastest way to get the information you're searching for, whether or not the house is, or will soon be, listed on the real estate market. Approaching the inhabitants of the home may be awkward or uncomfortable, but you can also consider leaving them a note or writing them a letter. 8. Parcel maps. This resource isn't available in every state, but you can sometimes collect more information about that property's owner with online parcel maps. Parcel maps, also known as property or tax maps, can identify a property's exact boundaries. You can find out information about the property's ownership, the estimated value of the house, and whether it is owned by an individual or by a business. 9. Paid websites. If the free options are not providing you with the desired results, you can always consider using paid online services. The extra information you get, like cell numbers and email addresses of owners and information about the land registry, may be worth the price. 10. Ask the neighbors. Neighbors can be a useful and free resource for getting property owner information. It may be wise to approach them in much the same way as you would if you were reaching out to the owner directly.